This conference will now be recorded.
Now let us see non-weighted codes. Non-weighted codes. Okay. So non-weighted codes are access 3 code, gray code, and 84-2-1. All these are non-weighted codes because there is no weight. Okay. So let us see access 3 code. So the access 3 code is nothing but, so it is a code by adding 3. So make it tabular form. Okay. So decimal value and BCD number, access 3 code. Okay. So decimal number is, see, so this is the decimal number. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So BCD number is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay. So access 3 code is nothing but adding 3 to each BCD number. So what is the BCD number of 3? 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay. So how to get this value? Add 3 to these zeros. And 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay. So you are getting what is the value? 0, 0, 1, 1. So BCD addition, binary addition, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. Okay. So now 0, 0, 1, 1. Now again, second number is what? 0, 0, 0, 1. Again add 3. So 1 plus 1 is what? 0, carry is 1. Again 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. So 0, 1, 0, 0. Let us see 3, 2, 0, 0, 1, 0. Add 3, 1, 1 plus 1, 0, 1. Carries 1, 0, 1, 0. So 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay. So for 3 is 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. For 6 it is 1, 0, 0, 1. For 7 it is 1, 0, 1, 0. For 8 is 1, 0, 1, 1. And 9 is, how to get 9? See, 1, 0, 0, 1. Add 3. 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1. 1, 1. Okay. So you are getting 9 is equal to 1, 1, 0, 0. So this is an access 3 code. Okay. Access 3 code. See, here 100, 101, 110. Here some states are not valid in access 3 code. What are the states? First one is, here there is no 0, 0, 0, 0. First is 0, 0, 0, 0. 0, 0, 0, 1. No. 0, 0, 0, 1. Next 0, 0, 1, 0. 1, 1, 0, 1. 1, 1, 1, 0. And triple ones. So all these states are not valid in access 3 code. Okay. Only these codes are only valid in access 3 code. Okay. So next we have to see gray codes. Gray codes. Okay, gray codes. So gray codes means what? So gray code is nothing but there is a 1 bit change in the first bit position. For example, so I'm taking a binary code as 1010 and gray code. Okay, so first, so you have to write this bit as 1. Then add these 2 bits. So there is a relation here, XOR operation is used. That means 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. So if you get same inputs means you are getting zeros. Same inputs means 0. Different inputs means 1. Okay. So 1, 0 are different inputs. You are getting the value as 1. 0 and 1. Again the value is 1. 1 and 0. Again the value is 1. Okay. So 1, 0, 1, 0. This is the gray code operation. Okay. So now let us see the tabular form for gray code. See. So binary codes and gray code. So you have to take gray code for 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Last one is 1, 1, 1. Okay, so gray code means what? So this is a gray code. Okay, first bit you have to write the first bit as same 0 plus 0 0 0 XOR with 0 0 0 and then you can get same zeros. So next first one is 0, next one is 0 XOR with 0 0 XOR with 0 0 plus 1, you are getting 0. Okay, see this one, first one is 0 0 XOR with 0 0 XOR with 1 0. Okay, sorry, 1 1 XOR with 0 1. See, this is 1 0, you are getting 0 0 1 1. Okay, so now next one is first bit is 0 0 XOR with 0 0 0 XOR with 1 1. Okay, now 1 XOR with 1 0 0 0 1 0. Now this one, first one is 0 0 XOR with 1 1 1 XOR with 0 1 0 XOR with 0 0. Okay, so 1 1 0 0. Next one is first one is 0 0 is XOR with 1. Sorry, yeah, 0 1 1 XOR with 0 1 1 x 0 XOR with 1 1. So in the same way, so do the remaining bits also, remaining numbers for 1 1 0. So you're getting 0 1 0. For 3 ones, you're getting 1 0 0. For 1 0 0, 1 1 0 0, 1 1 0 1, 1 1 1 1, 1 1 1 0, 1 0 1 0, and 1 0 0 1. Sorry, 1 0 1 1 and 1 0 0 1. For last, for 1 1 1. So first one is 1. 1 XOR with 1 is 0. 1 XOR with 1 is 0. 1 XOR with 0 is 1. This is the gray code operation. Okay. So let us see one example on. So convert 79 decimal number into a gray code. First 79 divided with 2. So gray code means what? It is also a binary form representation. Okay. So divide first with 2. 2 39s are 78, remainder is 1. And 2 19s are, remainder is 1. 2 9s are, remainder is 1. 2 4s are, remainder is 1. 2 2s are, remainder is 0. 2 1s are 0. And 2 0 1. Okay. So this is the binary form representation. Now you are getting 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 1. Okay, so this is the binary representation. Now you have to convert this code binary. This is a binary. Now you have to convert this into a gray. First write down 1, 1 plus 0. So 1 XOR with 0, 0. 0 XOR with 0, 0. 0 XOR with 1, 1. 1 XOR with 0. 1 XOR with 1, 1 XOR with 1. So this is the gray code. So this is the answer 1. 1 XOR with 0 is 1. Okay. Now let us see. So this is a decimal to gray and binary to gray. Now how to convert from gray to binary? So gray to binary. So let us see one example. 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 0. So this is a gray code. So how to convert into a binary? Now here this value, write it as same, and now add this bit and this bit. 1 plus 1 is what? 0. 0 plus 1 is what? 1. 1 plus 0 is what? 1. 1 plus 0 is what? 1. 1 plus 1 is what? 0. 0 plus 0 is what? 0. 0 plus 1 is what? 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. Okay. So this is the gray to binary conversion. Okay. Now let us see self-complementing codes. Self-complementing codes. So self-complement codes are access 3 code, 2421 code, and 84 minus 2 minus 1. All these three are self-complementing codes. So self-complementing means, so in access 3 table, so we are getting first value as 0, 4 zeros, and this is 1, and ninth value as 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, so sorry, in access 3 code, first value is 0, 0, 1, 1, and ninth value is 1, 1, 0, 0. Okay, next, second value is 0, 1, 0, 0. This is 1, 0, 1, 1. And this is 0, 1, 0, 1. And this is 1, 0, 1, 0. See, 0, 0, 1, 1. 0 and 9 are self-complementing bit. So 0, 0, 1, 1. 0 is changed to 1 and 1 is changed to 0. Self-complementing codes. This is complement to this one. Okay, so access 3 code is a self-complementing code. And also 2421 and 84 minus 2 minus 1 is also a self-complementing codes. Now cyclic codes. So let us see cyclic codes. Cyclic codes. So these cyclic codes is nothing but it's a linear code that has a property that means it can shift circular shift or a circular left. So for example, if you take, there are some bits 1 0 1 0 1 0. Okay, so if you apply a circular right shift means so that the bits are shifted to the bits are circularly shifted to right. So this bit is shifted to this, and this bit is shifted. This bit is okay. So that means 1 is shifted here, 1 0 1 0 1, and this bit is shifted to here. So this is a circular right shift. So this is a code word which is given to the computer system. After circular shift, we are getting after circular shift there is a valid. We are getting a valid code word. Okay. So cyclic codes are used to shift either left or right. Okay.